Hello, and thank you all again for tuning in to Obscure Jewels, where I'm your host, as well as your narrator, Crayola Poster, and today we'll be reading The Belly Book by Joe Harris. Everybody has a belly. Babies have them. So do pops. So do firemen. So do cops. People who play ball have them. People shopping in the mall have them. A sumo's belly is big and fat. Ballerina's belly is small and flat. My mom had a big belly when she carried me. A kangaroo belly can carry two or three. A whale has a belly so big and wide that you could park a truck inside. Bellies come in many types. Soft belly, hard belly, bunny belly, funny belly, high belly, low belly, prickly belly, sickly belly, cold belly, hot belly, stinker belly, tinker belly. There are white bellies, night bellies, green bellies, clean bellies. And did you know there are glow bellies, snow bellies, brass bellies, glass bellies, and down by the sea, hula dancing grass bellies. A belly is great for a number of things. You can use it to help take bags home from the store. When your hands are full, your belly can close the door. A belly is great for a nap on a plane and for keeping cups dry when it's starting to rain. A belly is a good place for resting your cup. It also works well for a chat with your pup. But bellies aren't great when you can't read your weight or get close enough to hug your mate. And a belly should never get to the stage when it can't even fit on this double page. To keep them from growling and acting rude, we should feed our bellies lots of fresh, healthy food. Fruit and vegetables and lots of whole grains, milk for our bones and fish for our brains. Here are a few belly tips. Go easy on junk food like soda and chips. Go easy on candy and ice cream and cake, or you will end up with a bad belly ache. Take care of your belly, and if you do, your belly will take good care of you. The end. That was The Belly Book by Joe Harris, narrated by your host, Crayola Poster. Thank you.